Okay, you can see the screen, right? Okay, so today I will tell you how you can use these two options. The first one is the bullet and the second one is numbering library. Okay, I will take an example here. I just want to write the computers list, okay, computer part list, and then I will tell you, okay, I will tell you the different way how you can prepare this particular document, okay, how you can use these examples within 2 to 3 types, okay. So if you want to write some list, so first you can write without any problem, okay. Whatever you want to write, you can write them quickly, fastly, okay. So I am writing computer, mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU, UPS, projector, SMPS, pen drive. Okay, I have written all them, right? Now I need something to put bullets, okay, symbols I want to put here. So I can go with the bullet, and in bullets, I can choose these all are the example of the bullets. Okay, I can choose anyone, whatever I want. Okay, suppose I want to choose this one. So this will apply here. You can see there is no problem inside this, right? Okay. If you want to change later on, so instead of bullet, you can try numbers. Okay. Any number you can try from here. What if I don't want any number, I don't want any symbol, so I can go there and I can click on the none. Okay. Here none option is also there, so I can click them and then everything will be done. Right. Now select this one and here I want to put number, right? So I have put it the number. You can see there is no problem in this one, right? Now if I want to add, right, headings inside them, or I want to add part, or I want to put some hierarchy inside this, then I can use what I will use. I will use enter and tab. Okay, I will use enter and tab keyword. Okay, just a minute. Yes. So I'm clicking here, right? I'm putting enter, then I'm putting tab. Okay. The small combination enter and then tab, right? Now I can write here, like inside computer, I want like laptop, desktop, server, tablets, phones. So I can put this. Okay. If any of the time, if I want like this style, I don't want, right? A, B, C, D, E, I don't want. So I can select that particular words. I can select, then I can come here and I can apply the another one. Okay, which I want. That is my choice. Okay, that means there is no need in the beginning. You need to choose. You can choose or you can change anytime. Okay, this is your choice. But now suppose here I want to write the companies all them, right? So inside laptop, I will be click at the end. Then I will be put enter. Then I will be put tab, right? And then I can come here. I can choose the another style. Okay, then I can write here Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, like that, right? I also need to write the price. So I will put enter and then tab, right? Then I can choose any of the style from here. Then I can write here like 50,000, 65,000. So this is the way how we can use all these options, right? Because one time we can give time. At the time of preparation, we can give the time to prepare all that, right? But if you need to make any changes, then it should not take more time, right? It should do all the things automatically. Okay. For example, suppose you want like server you don't want, right? So if server you don't want, then D and E should automatically update, right? I'm just selecting this one and I'm putting this delete. and then you can see these two has updated automatically, right? Like at the end, someone say that, okay, we don't need to use CPU and UPS. So you can just select and just delete, and that's it. Other will update automatically. This is the way of work, right? Like when you will do this type of work, then you will, update anything in the document quickly, fastly, easily, right? Without any problem. You are getting my point? Right. So you can take any of the example. We are learning. That's why I'm taking this example. If you are in the office, you want to prepare the office staff list, you want to prepare the stock list, right? So stock inside the stock is in the inside the stock, whatever item you have, you want to write the some different parts of that particular items or goods. So you can write them with using this option, right? You are getting my point? So how I can do this thing more easy, right? So more easy, we can do this thing while, learning these two options. These two options you can see, indent, okay? Left indent, right indent. Okay, if we will hold the mouse there, then they will tell me, right? It is telling me decrease indent, and this is called increase indent. What decrease indent and increase indent do? Like we can shift a particular word according to our need. Okay, how? Suppose I want to do something first. Okay, just give me a minute. See, I'm putting this all in the left. Okay, so I'm using this option. You can see here, right? I have something written. See this one. I'm just removing each and everything here. So I just remove all the things, right? You can see here. Now, sometime you can write like that, right? If you have a document and you just need to type all the things inside the document, okay? Don't worry about like which comes inside where, okay? You can simple type all them, right? And after that, what you will be do? Now select all them and put a style like I'm putting like that, this one or this one. Got it? Nothing. This is simple way, right? Now, if you want like computer will go inside, sorry, laptop will go inside the computer. So you just need to click here and click on the indent like that. Okay. Dell will go inside the laptop. So click in the Dell and then click twice, one and two, right? This price list will go inside the Dell. So what you need to do, select all them which you want to put inside Dell and now use indent like that, like got it? HP, yes. Decrease this one, increase this one, right? Or you can use the tab as well, right? Okay, tab keyword you can use to do that work. This one. Okay, but to go back, you will use decrease index. You are getting my point? Yes. So now computer inside desktop, laptop, phone will come inside the laptop, right? So I need to select these three, B, C, and D, and then I need to use this. So this is, this is working perfectly. You are getting my point now? Like, so let's do one thing. We will do this thing. We will take one more example. Okay. So what I need to do here, I need to I need some content. Okay, so content I will take with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm coming here in ChatGPT, and then I will take a new chat, right? And here I will write like write 20 questions related to computer. Okay, related to computer. So I'm just put enter. You can see on the screen. So it is giving me these, right? So I'm putting here, I'm giving you instructions without numbering because numbering I want with myself, right? So now it will give me without numbering, right? So I'm selecting all them like that. Now, if I will come here and I will be paste them, so I paste it, right? Now I can select all them by command A or control A, and then I can put number, right? If I don't want this alphabet numbering, then I can go with the number one, right? And if you want to create your own style, then how you will be do? So tell me which style you want. I want something like question one, question two, question three, like that, right? That style is not here, right? I just want to remove this one. So I want like question one, question two, question three type. So that we can also create. We need to come in the second last option, define new number format, right? And then this window will open. Now in this window, carefully what you need to do first, you need to choose the number style, right? Because we want the style like, I want a style like this one, question one, then question two. I want this thing, right? So in this style, what we have the number one, right? Number 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there in this one, right? So here, what I will choose, here I will choose this number first, right? So first I am choosing here number, and then in this box in number format, you can see this number here. So here what I need to do very carefully, I can use, you can see here I need to come in the beginning of this number. Okay, first I can remove this this dot, and then I need to come before this number. You can see or not, this one, this number. So I need to come before this number, like I am using the arrow button, right? I also want to, okay, just first come before this number, and you need to write whatever you want. Okay, that will come here. You are getting my point? If I want like complete question, I want this series, so I can also use this one. Okay, instead of this one, sometime if I am working on the project and I need to write a list like project 1, project 2, project 3, then I can also use this one, right? If I'm preparing a document where I need to prepare the answer, so I can use the answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. Okay, so this is totally my choice. There is no limitation here. Whatever I need, I can use that one. Okay, this is the power of this particular option. Okay, this one. So you can see here, right? Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This problem is coming here. So we can set this with the help of this one. Okay, with the use of this option, we can, this is called indent. Okay, just ignore this one in the beginning. Later on we will cover, otherwise you will get confused here, right? So here you can see, you can use this number options, how, whatever you want, you can use now, right? So always we need to use them, because if someone will say that, okay, don't need the question number 7, so you just need to select and delete, other will automatically update. Got it? This is the way of work. Okay, sir, understand? Any problem? You got it, very good. If you got it this one, so that is good and well. Okay, so now come to the next point. If you want to put some space here, then we have the number space. Okay, line and paragraph spacing option. In the paragraph, you can put any of the space here, whatever space you want. Okay. How much space you want, you can use that one. Okay. Can you tell me one thing? Suppose here I want, before this question 1, I want to write here, I want to add a new question at the top. So how I will do that? Because if I am clicking here, so it is not clicking, right? The space is there, but that space is reserved, okay, for other tasks, okay, that we will do later on, okay. So if you will try to click here, so it will, maybe if you will be click more hardly, then it will be give you this animated line like that. It is saying header. That means it have the other purpose, okay. So what you will be do for that case, you don't need to do anything. Like if you want something before question 1 and question 2, then you can click here, right? This is the simple one. But if you want in the beginning, then you need to click here. So here you need to click and then you can write that one, right? You can write here like what is internet like that, right? And then you can put enter. That's it. Okay. So basic things we need to request, like when you will start working somewhere, so you will find the problems and you will also get the solutions. Okay, right? But you need to do work. So if you will not practice, then you will, lapse all the things from your mind. Now let's come to the next options. Here you can see this line space, right? Line and paragraph space, right? And these are the four alignment to you, right? Suppose if you want to from the right, so we can start from the right, everything we can put the left, we can put the center, right? And if I will start work with this formula, right? This one. And if I can see here, everything is starting very clearly in the left side, right? But line is not ending cleanly, right? So what you will use here? You will use here this option. This is called justify. Okay, which option? Justify. So justify will align your lines automatically. Okay. And meanwhile, you are working on this paragraph, you can put them numbering easily, you can put them. And if you want space, then you can also put the space as well, right? Then new option is border. If you want to put the border, right? So you can use this bottom border. Okay. Border, what's border do? What border will give you the border line, okay, at the top of a paragraph, at the bottom of the paragraph, at the right side of the paragraph, at the left side of paragraph, or all side of a paragraph or content or page, like that. Okay. Let's take a example. Take a small example. These are how many paragraph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If I want a border like that outside of this paragraph, so what I will be do? I will be select this one. I will be come here and I will be use outside border. Got it, sir? Okay. Sorry. Sometime we need to put something inside border according to the need. Okay. If you want the bottom border, then we can use the bottom border as well. All border like that. Border border will help us if I need to prepare a document and where the content is already given in the border. So we also need to do the same here. Then we will use the border here. Okay. Got it? So we can click here for no border here. If we don't want any border, then we can click here no border like that. Okay. If you want outside border, then you can use this bottom border, right? Sometimes most of the example uh, in lot of the what is that document, we see like this types of requirement, right? So if I want to tell you, show you the exact requirement, then I can try to find it options. Okay, just give me a minute. I am opening a document. Okay, so that you can clearly see how we can use. You can see this one, right? So here you can see this border line, right? This one. If you want here a border, right? After this line, after this section, I want a border, then I can go here and I can use the bottom border. You can see. So if I want to put any border here as well after that, so I can go and I can use this bottom border, right? After education, I also want something, so I can click here and I can use this bottom border, right? If you want a space, then you can put the space like that, right? Like that. Okay. So after technical, I also want a border. So bottom border, right? We have a lots of border. Suppose here in this section, I want a border here as well. Like I want a line from here, or I want a line from here, right? So how I will do that? I will be click here, then I will be come and I will be use this left border. Can you see this one? So this is totally, yeah, this left, right, top, bottom, as per my need. Okay. Everywhere this need can be come, right? So here I put it the right border, right? Got it? Got it, sir? Suppose this one I want to this detail I want in border. Okay. So I can use this outside border, or I can use this all border like that. Okay, got it. So you can do all them, and you need to practice with all these types. Now you should able to prepare this one. Here we use the bullets, right? You can see here we use the bullets, we use here the headings, right? We use here the border, right? Everything we have used here. We have used here the alignment. This is center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, right? We have used all them here. So you must use all them and you need to work. Got it? So this is okay for today.